Hi, how are you?
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Vijay. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Emma.
Yeah,
What's your name means, Emma?
means?
Yeah.
I don't think it has a meaning. I'm not sure. But what does your name mean?
My name is Victory.
And what does it mean? Does it have a meaning or not?
My name is means is victory to achieving something victory.
Oh, Victory. Oh, okay. Lovely. Very nice. And where are you
Yeah.
calling from?
I'm from calling you India,
Oh, okay. What part of India? Sorry.
western part of India,
What part?
western part of India.
Oh, okay. So that would be
You
close.
should you just situated your camera in your front of your face. I think
Can you see me?
I'm seeing you, but it's just I think your camera is your in a down way. Just up your
Yeah,
camera.
my laptop broke, the keyboard broke, so I had to turn my it's like that. I had to flip it like that, so it's upside down, and I'm using the touch screen. So the camera's down here, the camera's at the bottom, but it's meant to be up here. But it's broken, so it's the only way.
That is the reason I think camera is in a down way, right?
Oh no, on my screen's correct, so you're facing upright, you're the right way. It's just my
Yes.
camera that's down there.
Okay, okay, okay. What is the time in your side right now?
Um, it is 12:30. What time is it where you are?
4 o'clock right now.
Oh, okay. Is it really hot over there?
Yeah, it's really hot over there. Yeah.
Um, okay. What do you do for work?
Yeah, I am just I teach children by the way.
You teach what, sorry?
I teach adult and children by the way.
Oh, okay, yep.
Yeah.
And you've
What's
already
your,
gone, pardon?
what is your profession?
I currently teach English in schools here in Spain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, another question I have for you. What have you learned from your life till now?
Um, Great question.
Yeah,
Many things. Um, Probably to not be too judgmental and respect other people's way of thinking and living, probably.
respect other. And the second one is
Um, and to not be so judgmental.
dismantle.
What about you?
Okay.
What have you learnt?
I have learned to respect everyone.
Mhm.
I think don't be jealous to other one and focus your work. And you should be busy in your life.
Mhm. What
There's
keeps
a
you busy?
what?
What keeps you busy?
I think you should be achieving something want to be achieved in your life, then you should be focused. You should be work on it. There's no need to create a diversity during the achieving time of your goal. So I think when you distract at the time of achieving something, then you became late to achieving something. I think so. You should be focused on only on one aim. So that is the main point. Because when you adult, the lots of obstacles are came in a form of friend environment in it may be I think obstacle work in your life
Yeah.
in I think adult age by the way because there is a no maturity level at that age. I think you should be a focused. I have learned from life till now.
Yeah. It's definitely important to find friends who share the same values and the same work ethic and interests and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. When you have a maturity level is are high, then time has gone.
Pardon?
When you have learned from your life, then time has gone. At
Yeah.
the time, yeah, but they have no chance to come back your time. So I think time is a very, very important in everyone's life,
Yeah,
really.
it would definitely be great if we were just born with our whole life's knowledge already. If it was just if we already knew everything, it would be great. But fortunately, we have to learn it as we go.
Yeah, of course. I think
Mm,
this is a main important part.
yes, yep. Do you follow any, or do you have any philosophers that you look up to? Like, are you really into philosophy?
No, by the way, I love reading. I love a lot, and I read a motivational book. By the way,
Mhm. And what's
yeah.
that called?
What?
What's the book called?
Secret, other motivational book. This type of books I read sometimes.
Oh, okay. Yep, lovely.
Because what is your dignity? But what is your, I think, purpose of your life? You should achieve it. Your parents have given something, but you have no your purpose. No one is know you except your parents, by the way. Even this formula also apply on my life and as well as you maybe. But when you achieving something, you have a creating fame in your life, and other people is knowing about you. So I think you should work on it. Definitely.
Yep. Yeah. Yep.
Before bef, beforeing a success, you should be face a bad time. Without a bad time face, you cannot reach a good time.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a balance of good and bad.
Yeah,
You have to have bad to get
yeah,
the good.
yeah, definitely. So I think we should focus and we should ready to face this type of situation. When
Yeah.
you faced an easy way this type of situations, I think you are the mature one.
Yes. Yep. There's definitely no value in staying within your comfort zone. No.
Yeah, of course.
Hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
lovely. Are you watching anything on Netflix? Any shows you're into at the moment?
No, no, I am not interested. Netflix, by the way. I listen audiobook, by the way, sometimes.
Yeah, and they're the motivational books.